New York nurse Catherina Cenzon-DeCarlo is still haunted by a nightmare that she was forced to participate in. She says her employer, Mount Sinai Hospital, threatened her job and nursing license if she refused to help perform the abortion of a 5-month-old unborn child. She felt that she had no choice other than to violate her deeply held Catholic convictions.
My duties as a nurse included being present for the bloody dismemberment and accounting for body parts afterwards. It was like a horror film unfolding.
Ms. DeCarlo filed suit against the hospital. Existing laws are supposed to protect healthcare workers from being forced to participate in abortions. But loopholes in these laws prevented Ms. DeCarlo from receiving any recompense. Her case was dismissed and sent to the Department of Health and Human Services. She waited nearly 4 years for a response. Then the agency simply declared the case resolved due to a change in the hospital's policy.
But I felt violated all over again when the courts told me that even if the hospital broke the law, I had no right to have my day in court.
Public policy organizations, including the New York State Catholic Conference, are campaigning to make sure that this nightmare never happens again. They're backing the Abortion Non-Discrimination Act, a bill in Congress that would protect healthcare workers like Ms. DeCarlo. The bill would also make sure that religious organizations and other entities aren't discriminated against for refusing to support abortions.
The problem is these laws that are already on the books have a lot of loopholes in them. They don't provide any remedy. They don't allow individuals who feel they were discriminated against to go to court to get some kind of remuneration or to get their job back if they were fired because of their refusal to participate in abortion.
The Abortion Non-Discrimination Act is currently up for debate as Congress prepares to vote on a year-end spending bill. The Catholic Conference is urging everyone to contact their representatives to tell them to support the act.
Even pro-choice senators who say they believe in freedom of choice, if they are to be honest about what that means, freedom of choice is meaningless if there is no choice to be pro-life.
Congress is expected to determine the fate of the Abortion Non-Discrimination Act before the end of next week. Supporters can contact their representatives through the New York State Catholic Conference's website, nyscatholic.org. Reporting for Currents, I'm Katie Breidenbach.